Globe Life Park in Arlington is a multi-purpose stadium in Arlington, Texas, located between Dallas and Fort Worth. Originally built as a baseball park, it was home to the Texas Rangers of Major League Baseball and the Texas Rangers Baseball Hall of Fame from 1994 until 2019, when the team vacated the stadium for Globe Life Field. It was constructed as a replacement for nearby Arlington Stadium and opened in April 1994 as the Ballpark in Arlington. In 2020, it was retrofitted for use as a football and soccer facility. The stadium was the home of the Dallas Renegades of the XFL. Currently the only active tenant is North Texas South Carolina of USL League One, who are FC Dallas's reserve team. The Dallas Jackals of Major League Rugby plan to begin play at the stadium in 2021. In April 1989, Rangers owner Eddie Chiles sold the team to an investment group headed by George W. Bush. The aging Arlington Stadium was outdated and did not have amenities that helped make other baseball franchises more profitable. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.